Buenas noches, profesor y compañeros. Esta es la presentación de la tercera actividad de la materia estrategia, Analysis of CADs, Building Your Company Vision, presentado por Wendy Cáceres y por mí, Nancy Rodríguez. Glosario. Core in the logic. Core in the logic defines the enduring chart of the organization and concept identity that transcends product on the mark like seed, technology, rare goods, my good, fat, and the individual parts. Core volumes. Core volumes are the essential and enduring base of an organization. Core purpose. Core purpose, the second part of the core ideology in the organization, wraps governing. An effective purpose reflects people in daily workings for do the company's work. Bunix strategies is a Bunix plan that takes place in the long there to help achieve specific goal or objectives. Its objective in this project in the company should have the performance improves. Embedded futures. In what we are still to welcome to achieve to create software that requires significant change and projects to achieve it. Corporate social responsibility is what of many companies but on the manager on the impact that their activity generates on their questions and project charts local communities, the environment, and society in general. Vision. In the ability to see beyond in time of space and beyond understand to visualize, to sit with the edge of the imagination in the art on the final results that intend to be achieved. Objective standard. Help focus the energy of employees and helps in achieving the goals and objectives of the company. Bunisec. They are demanded in their administrative and production process and for the high demand role, the take care of their finance indicators to deal with project or grant management and maintain close relations with the bank. Effective there. In the direct to have the help slave of the permanency be implemented and the international vision to serve and export or operation. Investigation data are those materials generated on the course during the course or conducting or investigation and the parts of the evidence on which academics review their work. Investigation or market dealt in the identification of customer needs and the possibilities for responding of the using or developing competitive endeavors of the organization. Quality is satisfaction and competitive price for the clean and profitability and sustainability for the company. Outstanding achievement. Something that has been achieved especially the hard work, will or heroes and is proven. Motive force. Strategy and tactics to mark modes and relate to things to get good results. Excellent words. In the results are achieved towards with the efforts in indirect and that provoke strong sessions. competitive aspect that you have a company in relation to other companies in the same sector or market might be in the product, the brand, the customer service, the production process, technology, and others. Code and ethics. Set standards that regulate the behavior of people with a company or organization. Innovation is an improvement in the business model the company has into large organizational productive or technology change in the response that market and business to the market with the same purpose of being more efficient. Everything future is what we aspire to achieve to create something that will require change and the progress to reach.